In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add things side by side in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to maximize your workspace efficiency, understanding how to place items side by side is incredibly useful. This ability allows you to customize your pages, making them more organized and visually appealing. Let's dive right in and learn step by step how to create columns in Notion. First, you'll want to open up Notion and log into your account using your preferred browser. Once you're in, you have the choice to either open an existing page where you'd like to create columns, or go ahead and start fresh with a new page. Entirely up to you. For those new to Notion, creating a new page can be a fun way to explore the platform's possibilities. Now, with your page open and ready, start by adding the content blocks that you want to rearrange as columns. Content blocks can include text, images, databases, or to-do lists. A block is essentially any piece of information you add to your page. These blocks are easily customizable and form the building blocks for your Notion pages. Once you have your content blocks added, look for the small 6-dot handle to the left of each block. This is your key to rearranging the blocks and creating columns. Click on the handle and hold it. You'll notice that the block is now movable. Drag this block to the left or right of another block. As you do, pay attention to the vertical blue line that appears. This line indicates where your new column will form, making it clear and easy to structure your page exactly as you envision. Now, when you're satisfied with the placement of your block, simply release the mouse button. This action drops the block, effectively creating a new column on your page. Congratulations! You've just made your first column in Notion. It's simple, yet incredibly effective. But we're not done yet. To truly make your columns work for you, hover over the shared edge between two columns. What you'll see is a gray vertical line appearing. This line allows you to adjust the width of your columns, giving you added control over the look and feel of your page. Drag this line left or right to resize the columns to your desired width. This feature is particularly handy when you want to ensure that your text and images are balanced visually across the page. And there you have it, your guide to putting items side by side in Notion. This capability opens up new possibilities for how you structure your information and can make your projects more efficient and visually compelling. Play around with these features, get creative, and see how you can apply them to your Notion workspace. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!